3D Ribbon Cat Eye Gel Polish Nail Art Tutorial by Hotpinkzebrapolish.
Hi guys, in today's video we are going to be showing you some new Madam Glam colors, aren't we? Yeah! So I have a couple new colors that I'll be showing you. Both of them are cat eye in this design, and so the one of them is like a gorgeous cat eye dark green color, and that's the background color, and then the foreground color that I used to make the ribbon out of is, or I don't know, is it a ribbon or is it a bow, Melody? Which do you think, a ribbon or a bow? Not sure. Anyways, whatever you want to call it, the present topper thing that cats like to eat, so we never have them in my house. That I made out of just gel polish, and it's another one of the cat eye colors, and this one is a gorgeous pink, which I know is absolutely stunning and one I will probably use all the time because it's just one of those colors that you're like, ooh, I like that. So I hope you guys like this as much as I do. It's actually pretty simple, and the bow itself, I think, or ribbon or whatever you want to call it, is really cute. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and don't forget to click subscribe to see all my future videos as well.
So to begin with, I'm going to be applying 2 coats of Free Spirit, which is that green cat eye color, to the background. And if you want, you can do this on your natural nails or on a nail tip or on acrylic nails or whatever you want. Hold the magnet away or near the nail for a couple seconds, cure it, apply a second coat, and as you can see, that gorgeous streak just really shows up. Apply some gel top coat to that, and then we're going to make our bow. So I'm going to be applying some gel top coat to a nail form backing, cure that, and then apply 2 coats of your cotton candy color. So that's the pink. So here's the first coat, but before you cure it, you're going to take your magnet and you're going to hold it up to the gel in, 3-4 places, however many you want. So after you have that and you got those nice little magnetic highlights in there, go ahead and cure it and apply a second coat. Hold the magnet as close to the same spots as you can, and then after that's cured, apply one more layer of your gel top coat and you have what I like to call your gel material. After you have that, you can see it's very flexible. Take your scissors and just trim off the little shaggy looking ends, just like that. Just kind of square it up so it's a little bit easier to work with. Then cut it into strips. So I don't remember if I did 3 strips that I cut into 4 pieces or 4 strips that I cut into 3 pieces, but cut your little lengths of gel to make your different ribbon pieces. So after you have them all cut, so I did 4 that I cut into 3 pieces, all right. And then that 5th one, so you are going to need 5. So use all of them but one to make your little loops. So to shape your loops, you kind of fold the ribbon in around it itself, and then grab a little bit of nail glue and you glue that down. So you kind of create these little triangles, as you can see. And after you have it glued, hopefully it doesn't take too long for that to stick. Mine took about 5 seconds. So you just hold them until they're stuck down. Then you can set that aside, cut it off so there's not so much extra, glue the next one. Try to get as many of these loops out of each of those strips of gel as you can. So I used 11 of these loops is what I ended up needing. So I did 5 in the outside circle and or 6 in the outside circle and 5 in the inside circle. So then there's another one. So just keep making these, create a little pile of them so that you have them for when you're ready. And if you have any extra stuff on there, you can do that. And then for the last piece, for the 12th bit of your ribbon bow, go ahead and just roll that into a little loop-de-loop, kind of like a cannoli is what I think of it as. So just roll that up, glue that down so you've got your pieces. Then with that last strip, like I said, you need one more. You're going to cut it into the little tails of your ribbon. So just cut the ends at an angle, and those are the first pieces you're going to be gluing down to the nail. So just stick some nail glue down there. This whole thing is nail glue. So if you guys are like me and you just really dislike nail glue, this might not be a design you want to attempt, but if you can get over it just for the design, I love the outcome. I think it looks phenomenal. So glue down those first ribbon pieces that you just, like the ribbon tails that you made, and then grab 6 of your little loop-de-loops. So the triangle shaped ones, and you're going to start gluing those down. And if I were you, I would look, and they might not all be the exact same size, I would take your 6 largest ones and save the 5 smaller ones for the inside loop if they aren't all exactly the same size. And if they're all exactly the same size, pat yourself on the back because that's amazing. Just grab them and start gluing them down in your circle as best as you can. If they're not a perfect circle or not a perfect circle, and that's no shame. So just glue those down. Like I said, it does take a little bit for the nail glue to set sometimes, so just be patient, hold it down. Do your best. If you were to be wearing this, I would probably, after you have one layer done, either apply some builder gel or some acrylic inside there to further secure them in place so that they hopefully don't fall apart. I had no intention of actually wearing this, so I just decided that I would call it good for the time being. And so then glue in your second layer. So that first layer creates a really nice circle. The 6 just hold down really well. The next 5, you kind of have to work them in because they're not going in between each layer. So you just have to kind of fit them where they go. And when you're doing the 5, try to make it so they lay as flat as they can. So don't try to put them like right on top of one that was underneath it so it sticks up farther. Don't layer them one on top of each other that way. So there you go. There you got your 5 in there. And then to fill in that little center, that's where you're going to put your cannoli. So just grab that and then set that in there. And as you can see, that cat eye streak goes through the different ribbons all over, and it just makes the whole thing come alive. And I just love the way it turned out. So I hope you guys are in love with this as much as I am. I'm so happy. When I first started to think about how I was going to make this nail, I was like, I have no idea if that's going to work. So I was really happy with it. I hope you guys please share recreations with me on Facebook or Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!